A new NASA study has found that planets orbiting small stars like TRAPPIST-1 could hold their oceans for billions of years, even if they are close enough, as long as the star emits just the right amount of infrared radiation. In the foreseeable future, astronomers will be scanning red dwarf stars for habitable planets, instead of other types like our Sun. That is because they are easier to find and small enough so that the oscillation of small Earth-like planets can be detected. In addition to that, the amount of submerged light is noticeable when a planet passes by, and scientists can detect the composition of their atmosphere depending on the amount of stellar light it absorbs. If a planet is too cold, any water will freeze on the ice, which will make life difficult to form. If it is too hot, the water will evaporate and rise into the stratosphere, where the star's ultraviolet light will break it into hydrogen and oxygen. The latter state, called the wet greenhouse, eventually leads to the loss of all oceans, or any possibility of life. Unlike Earth, planets in red dwarf systems are often blocked by tides, with the same side always pointing toward the star. That leads to extreme warming on one side and cooling on the other, but fortunately, such planets roam their stars fast enough to create a circulating atmosphere. That atmosphere may be enough to keep the planet at the right temperature for liquid water, while preventing it from evaporating into the stratosphere.